that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys this tutorial on how I did this invisible ponytail with some crimps added. I also did these two little extra pieces in the front. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll be back with another one. So I'm going to start off by parting out the two pieces in the front. That way I can slick up my ponytail in one. So I'm going in with the clear eco styling gel, and I'm just placing it all throughout the perimeter of my ponytail. Do not apply it to the part that we parted out, nor do you apply it to the ends. So I'm just gonna apply it to my hair and then comb it through, making sure it's all smooth. So I'm going in with the braiding hair to add length so that my ponytail can be a bit longer. So I'm just feeding in a few pieces of braiding hair into my braid. So guys, I will be sewing on this ponytail just using pieces of hair that I had. So what I'm going to do is start from the end of my braid and sew the tracks going all the way up until I reach the top. what I normally do each time I sew on a ponytail, especially like the invisible ponytail, I always stitch one stitch and then I wrap it around and make another stitch. So you literally do not have to stitch going around the entire thing. Just wrap it, make a stitch, wrap it again, make a stitch, and that's all we're doing right throughout this ponytail.
Lately I've been low down, losing all control. Henny with the soda, I've been on a roll, I've been taking toll. I just wanna roam, I've been running from them bad days, trying to take it slower. Party on occasion, I should ease the weight off my shoulders, yeah. I said we only getting older, yeah. And tell me, are you coming over? I need to know, is you falling through? Tell me what the move is, girl, it's been a cool minute, yeah. I just wanna know, tell me what's the hold up, wanna get to know ya. Girl, I wanna show ya, yeah, that I've got all the things you need from me. I wanna hear you say you still believe in me. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna feel something real. Lately I've been low down, losing all control, I admit it. All this Tennessee hit my limits. This might be all the here, let me finish. I get it, I know you tease me, love me for the leisure, only for the eve. See you searching for the meaning. Hate the way we treat this. Why you in a rush? Know you got no business leaving. Why you always leaving? Know you want that repeat. Yeah, it ain't no way around it. We got a danger about us. You got your way about you, not much to say about it. Still have your way around me. They say we're something special. Is it better where we left it? All this inside of my head. Know when you're ready, I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna feel something real.
So guys, once I reach the top, I'm just going to take out a small piece from the back, and that's what I'm going to be using to do the wrap around the track. So I'm going in with the 𝐇𝐔𝐍𝐍𝐘 gel, and I'm just applying it all over the hair and wrapping it around. That way you don't see the track and it just looks complete. Now for my two bangs, I will be going in and adding about 3 tracks on each side. So I will be gluing in pieces to make it fuller and longer at the same time. And just like that, I have some nice full long bangs. So the same thing I did on one side is the same thing I did on the opposite side. And I'm just going in and flat ironing my hair. And now I'm just spraying my Total Control stiff spray because all that's left to do is crimp this hair.
Lately I've been low down, losing all control. Henny with the soda, I've been on a roll. Life been taking toll, I just wanna roam. I've been running from them bad days, trying to take it slower. Party on occasion, I should ease the weight off my shoulders, yeah. I said we only getting older, yeah. And tell me, are you coming over? I need to know, is you falling through? Tell me what the move is, girl, it's been a cool minute, yeah. I just wanna know, tell me what's the hold up, wanna get to know ya. Girl, I wanna show ya, yeah, that I've got all the things you need from me. I wanna hear you say you still believe in me. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna feel something real. Lately I've been low down, losing all control, I admit it. All this Tennessee hit my limits. This might be all the year, let me finish. I get it, I know you tease me, love me for the leisure, only for the eve. See you searching for the meaning. Hate the way we treat this. Why you in a rush? Know you got no business leaving. Why you always leaving? Know you want that repeat. Yeah, it ain't no way around it. We got a range about us. You got your way about you, not much to say about it. Still have your way around me. They say it was something special. Is it better where we left it? All this inside of my head. Know when you're ready, I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna feel something real.
guys, this is basically the end of this video. If you guys have stuck around this far, I mean, why not subscribe to the channel? But I am just finishing off with some shine spray. It's like a gloss. So I hope you guys enjoyed this style. If you're not already following me, go and follow my Instagram, my Snapchat at nae.simone, and I'll be back with another video.